Hello guys, so today I will talk about listening and how and why it's important to a public speaker. So when it comes to listening, I learned in chapter 4 that it is a three-step process. First is the sound going to your ear, and then to the brain, and then the process of like distinguishing the words and stuff like that. It's pretty interesting, but I ain't gonna go into deep depth about it. So first, one thing a lot of people struggle with is that it goes from one ear into the other ear. And like me, I struggle with that sometimes when listening to other people, and it is kind of disrespectful. So like I learned in the chapter that some things you could do to be a better listener and be more engaged in your conversations would be that you take notes. You could be taking notes, so it gives you more focus. So like you're like, yeah, but at the same time you don't want to be trying to write it word for word, because it would also like keep you off track, and just you can just be focused on writing notes instead of what the actual speaker is saying. And then some other things to practice is like clear your mind when you're listening to them. Don't be thinking about other stuff, because like if your head's somewhere else, you ain't gonna be paying attention or like knowing what they're saying. And some pretty interesting stuff that I learned that a public speaker could do when talking to the audience would be using pathos, ethos, and logos. An example of pathos would be like giving like a sad story or a sad experience on like what is going on or about you, and it could catch the audience to be like, what? That is really sad, or like it just like mind blows their minds into like them actually paying attention. You're like, oh, okay, this is like really interesting. I'm gonna actually pay attention to what you're saying. They're like, and yeah, that's pretty good. Something else that you could do while listening to other people would be just to like trying to like, you can stare at them. It can help you do that. Something else you could do is just practice on listening more and more, instead of like, don't distract yourself. Don't have stuff in front of you that could distract you. And yeah, listening is very important. Thank you.